Hey, remember that delicious deli-like pastrami sandwich we made the other day? Well, let's answer the age-old question, will it pizza? Can we make a pastrami sandwich in the form of a pizza? So let's find out. So here's our ingredients. We've got some pastrami that I've basically hand broken up, almost like pulled pastrami, but not. We've got some baby Swiss that I've cut up in little cubes. We're going to use that as a cheese, some sauerkraut, and some pickles to finish it off. For a base today, we're going to use this coarse grain mustard from H-E-B, and we're going to put a little coarse pepper on it as well. So let's make a pizza. So first off, we're going to put down a layer of mustard. Brought a spoon specifically for this. I'm going to spread it out just like it's pizza sauce. Not too thick, not too light. Whatever you think you like on there. So now, let's add some cheese. So I chose the baby Swiss because I thought it would probably melt better than, say, a normal aged Swiss. You could use basically any type. And I just chopped it up. They came in slices from the deli at H-E-B, so I just had them cut me some size 3 slices and chopped them up. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, now our pastrami. Okay, that looks good. Maybe a little bit more. And then finally, I took sauerkraut, pulled it out, and put it in some paper towels and squeezed it to try to get most of the moisture out, because you don't want to put too many wet things on your pizza. It's just going to make it soggy. So let's put some of this on top. Well, that's looking pretty good, isn't it? Okay, what do you think? Before we fire it up and try it, put in the comments, what do you think? Is it going to pizza? Okay, let's put this in the oven, and we're going to cook it for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes, and we'll be right back with a finished pizza. Okay, fresh out of the oven. Look at that. How's that bottom crust look? That's pretty good looking pizza. Now, to finish it off, got to get some pickles on there, right? We're going to add a few of them. Spread them around. And there we have a pastrami deli sandwich pizza. Now, how does it taste? Let's cut into it and find out. That's a good piece right here. You can cut through all the way. Ooh, that's hot. Come here. Get back on there. You too. Okay, here we go. Daggum. Only thing it's missing is the raw bread. Man, that is good. You taste every single bit of it. The pastrami, the mustard, pickles are a good touch on that. That Sauerkraut comes through good, and that crust is just perfect. It's a good substitute for rye. Okay, I would say a homemade pastrami, deli-based pastrami sandwich. Can pizza? Will it pizza? Yes, it will. We'll see you on the next one.